Nature is so beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Elliot Gorton and Walter Ledwee.
If you're looking for a bird of infinite fascination, look no further than egret. With its beautiful body of shining white feathers, standing at 25 inches, with a wingspan of 3 feet, the snowy egret is one of the most fascinating birds in the world. It's also one of the most aptly named birds because it inhabits mainly South America, Argentina, Brazil, and even parts of Mexico. It does come to the U.S. to breed, however, preferring areas in Mississippi and Florida where it's nice weather. When it does breed, the parents both display some of the most incredible teamwork in birds. The male collects the twigs and the female that makes into a lovely, lovely nest, and both parents take turns on the baby. When it comes to hunting, the snowy egret prefers to hunt in groups, normally hunting small reptiles, fish, insects, and crustaceans. They practice something called dip fishing, where they fly with their claws right above the surface of the water, and then get the prey right from under them. When it comes to the call, snowy egrets majestically tilts its head back and lets out its cry. Majestically lets out its cry. Walter! What was the bird call we were going to do?
We were going to do the snowy egret.
Yeah, how does that go?
Well, either goes fantastically, we win and fly off to New York. Or we embarrass ourselves on stage.
Not the contest, the call.
Oh, it's kind of throaty, raspy, kind of like somebody throwing up.
Well, okay, but how does it go?
Oh, okay.
That's a hog call.
Bueller.
That's roll call.
Look, Janine, I know it's late, and I know you don't want to talk right now, but I've got something to say. I love you. Janine.
No, that's a call you're going to regret in the morning. Walter, I don't have time for this. Just tell me what the call is.
See, many believe that Ibrahimovic was in fact offsides because at the time the
No, not from last night's game. Snowy egret.
Somewhere in the castle, Salazar Slytherin created a chamber.
That's the Chamber of Secrets. I want the snowy egret.
You're playing with your life, this ain't no truth or dare.
That's a line from Beat It.
It's a backball game pitting 2 teams of 11 players against each other on a
That's
that's
the game of cricket. Walter, can you just take this seriously, please?
with the aurora borealis flaming coldly overhead, and the stars dancing in the frost's leap, for the land numb and frozen under its pall of snow, the sound of the huskies would have been the defiance of life. It was pitched in minor key, with long wailings and half sobs. It was more the pleading of life, the infinite travail of existence. 328.
Is that a passage from Call of the Wild? That's not right, is it? No. I'm starting to think you don't even know what the call is.
Wait, what bird were we going to do?
The snowy egret.
The one that with the shiny white plumage.
Yes.
That has a wingspan of about 3 feet.
Yes.
That lives in South America and Mexico.
Yes.
The
And his call is raspy, throaty, goes like this.
That is probably the grossest thing I've ever heard. You obviously haven't heard your own voice. All right, well, it's just me now. So we've got the barred owl